Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this new arrival. It's a 2025 Yamaha Boats 255 FSH E. This boat's in the seafoam hull side. It's got the bottom, the black bottom on this boat, and it does come on the aluminum tandem axle trailer. With this being an E-Series boat, it's also going to have the full fiberglass hardtop and all of the electronics you need to get out on the water in style. Follow me up this way, I'll show you a couple neat features on the back side of the boat. The boat does have a table mount over here on the port side. We've got flush ports, both port and starboard. With this being the E-Series model, we also have underwater lights down below. We've got a transom remote here for your stereo. And then something new for the 2025 model year is every Yamaha boat is going to come with the receivers for your in-water pedestals. It doesn't come standard equipment-wise for the pedestals on the FSH series, but you can always add them after the fact. This boat's got a really nice telescoping ladder here in the center. Follow me up into the boat. This is a phenomenal boat for a do-all-purpose. You'll see you got a ton of transom space here, unlike any other center console on the market. You can sit rear-facing. Got a flip-up seat here under my feet. And then, of course, when you're ready to fish, you've got a nice big casting deck that you can see here. This boat's got 2 live wells aboard, one here on the starboard aft corner, and one up forward that I'll show you here in a bit. Again, being the E-Series boat, you've got the full fiberglass hardtop, you've got additional speakers in here, and your rocket launcher rod holders, so plenty of storage for your rods on the boat. In addition to that, you're gonna have spreader lights, both forward and rear on the E-Series. Up here at the helm, you've got all the technology in the world. You've got push button start for your engines here on the port side. You've got the no wake mode. This boat comes with the Simrad NSX screen, again, an E-Series feature. You've got the Simrad there, and then you've got a Yamaha screen here for your engine data. All your switching, things like that, nav lights are all right down here as well. Also got on the E-Series this full glass windshield up in the front to keep you protected from the elements. Follow me forward here a little bit further. A couple unique things on the Yamaha 255 FSH in general. Got great storage here on the port side. Got tackle storage, you've got a drawer up top here, and 2 garbage cans. On the subject of storage, you've got a massive locker here up under the center console. So it's a great place to throw your items. Got the rear seat cushion in here right now, but as you can see, it's very deep, and you have this changing room curtain in here so you can get changed for dinner, things like that, all without having to get off the boat. Over here on the port side is that second live well I was mentioning before. Both are aerated. And then up at the very front, got great storage here. There is a casting deck that can be placed in place here. And of course, all these cushions can be removed when you're ready to go fishing. Last but not least, up here at the very front of the boat, got a dedicated anchor locker. Got a cleat up here as well, and then some more combination cup holder, rod holders up forward. So you can really customize your rod experience on this boat. A couple dozen rod holders aboard, so plenty of storage for that. Wrapping up here on the front of the console, that's been a quick overview of this 2025 Yamaha Boats 255 FSH E. If you like this boat and want to check it out, stop by our showroom, give us a call, or check us out at MarineMax.com, and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.